Hi, this is the Color Lantha Zeiss Ikon Pronto 500 camera. You can see the conditions. It's also called the Vitessa 500 AE electronic. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the other side, this is down, and this is up. You can adjust the ISO rating here. Let me show you how I put the batteries. So this one they use old battery, I think 8.8 PX or something like that, which does not exist now. So now we need to improvise. So I have here two cheap alkaline 625 batteries. They are 1.5 volt each, which is what this camera needs, 1.5 volts. So I put it like this and like this, and then I close the cap. Okay, so if you see into the viewfinder, I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure why you can't focus into the thing. Let me just try and see. Ah, yes. So, how do I show you? So when I adjust the this thing 1 and 2, I'm not quite sure what it is, but when I adjust it, then I can see the needle inside. You see, there's a needle. Yeah, so that indicates for me that it works. But of course, like, I'm not sure how accurate is the meter. But yeah. So let me show you the inside. So it fires. Focusing is smooth. Aperture works. So yeah, there you go. This is the Vitessa 500 AE. Thanks. Okay, so we're gonna do f22. Okay, Now we're gonna do f2.8. Yeah, so you can see that the shutter fires. Okay, thanks everyone.